Hey, I'm Deanna with WTI, and I am so excited to share with you these JHBOX solar path lights. What I love about these lights are they are completely flat. Because they're flat, you can sit them on a surface or you can actually mount them on your walls around the house if you need to. If you don't want to do that, they do come with the stake so that you can stake them in the ground. And it's easy to operate. You just put the stake together and it's ready to go in the ground. I also like that where you turn it on, it's completely sealed so that water can't get into the lights. So just to show you, as soon as it gets dark, the light will come on and you have a nice soft white light. I really like these path lights and I'm excited to get more, and that's my point of view.